we have a clear signal at these 10, like Sulphur, Riley. CSX equipment defect detector. Milepost 311.8. Track 1. CSX equipment CSX equipment defect detector. Milepost 311.8. Track 1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 2. 810 of transmission.
You talk into that too? You do? You can talk into that one?
Oh, this one, it picks up a lot of this one.
Oh, can you talk into it?
No, I can't, but I get it from you guys a lot.
So you hear us all the time?
I do.
C50 come through with the CSX motor?
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna put you guys.
I have a left. Okay.
Had a CSX apparently 366 is having an issue today. That's why I was so surprised when I came through today.
Oh, you didn't know? You didn't know before? You didn't?
No, I didn't even know. I didn't even know it until now.
You live here?
No, I'm from Marietta, Georgia.
Oh, wow. You live in Marietta and you come up here and take pictures?
Mm-hmm.
Do you?
Because I have a friend who lives in Marietta. His name is Timothy, and him and I, we like to go boating together. He is dying. He wants to come here so bad.